Where does the name for Trelawnyd come from? So today I'm in Trelawnyd. It's a small village in Flintshire, just under the shadow of this massive hill behind me called a Gop. Let's get into the name. Now, in order to understand the name for Trelawnyd, we have to look at the historical forms of it. On the surface, it looks like it's made of Tre, which means a town or a village, Lawn, which is the soft mutation of Llawn, and Yd, meaning wheat. So it looks a bit like it means the village that's full of wheat. But if we look at the historical forms, excluding the 300 years between the 1700s and the 1950s, when it was called Newtown, in order to help the local lead mine owner attract more people, because he thought that maybe Welsh place names put people off, we can realise that actually this analysis of it doesn't quite make sense. Now, in medieval times, Trelawnyd wasn't the only name of the town. There was also Trelawnyd, Rhyw being a slope, so the slope full of wheat. And here's where the whole full of wheat thing starts to fall apart. Trelawnyd. A rhyd is a crossing place on a river or a ford, so the ford full of wheat doesn't really make much sense. Now, Professor Melville Richards, whose work I use quite a lot actually when I'm doing the research for these videos, especially in Flintshire, suggests that actually Llawnyd is a person's name. Now, Llawnyd is the Welsh form of the Old English name Leofnoth, which would make sense given the settlement of Old English speakers in this area in the 800s. So the name literally means Leofnoth's village. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every placement name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link is in the description. Diolch. Have a good one.